How can I tell my team about some potential leads? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new lead or opportunity in Odoo. Then we'll be taking the details of that lead and sending it as a channel message in Slack. All right, let's make a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be new lead in Odoo to Slack channel message. And we're going to click on our trigger box to select our trigger, which is going to be in Odoo, ERP self-hosted. And our event is going to be a new lead or opportunity. We'll click continue. Make sure we're connected to our Odoo account. For our database, we're going to select our Workload 2 database. You would select whichever database you want this trigger to monitor. And then we will test our trigger. And we found a new lead or opportunity. So we have the different details of this new contact. We have their name, email address, phone number. And then we also have here the name of the company, Ghost Sheets. But that's tucked inside of this partner ID array. And it's also combined with the name of our lead in the same part of the response. So I want to pull these outside of the array and then split this into two different outputs so that we can select them individually. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click continue. And for my action step, I'm going to click on our tools and then choose the AI formatter by workload. And our event is going to be to format data. The input data is going to come from that trigger, and it's going to be that partner ID array. And for the prompt, I'm going to copy part of it from below the prompt here, turn this array into an object, and then I'm going to add and split into company name and contact name. So we'll click continue, and then we'll test this action. And now we have that information pulled outside of the array, and the name of the company is separate from the name of the contact. So I'll click continue. I'll add a step. This is going to be in Slack. The event is going to be to send a channel message. Make sure I'm connected to Slack. I'm going to choose the channel, which is going to be my test channel. I'm going to import information for the message text and for the bot name. We'll go ahead and use the name of the contact as the bot name. So that can come actually from either the first or the second step. We'll do the first step here and find the name of the contact, cut and make eye holes. And then for the text, we're going to add these details one at a time. So first, we'll go to that step 2 and put the name of the company. And then enter from step 1, email, enter from step 1 again, the phone number. And I think that's all the information I want to include. There's also expected revenue. So if I wanted to add that, I could say expected revenue, colon, and then add that detail as well. Okay, I'm not going to add an icon or an emoji, and this is not a part of a thread that already exists. So I'm not going to add those details, although I could if I wanted to. I'm going to click continue. We're going to test this action. And it looks like we have a success. So I can scroll to the bottom, click continue. I can come back to Slack, and that was just added. The name of the contact, and then the name of the company, the email, the phone number, and then the expected revenue. So it looks like our workflow is working properly. We can come back to the workload editor, make sure that each one of our nodes has a green dot in the left corner, and then we can activate our workflow. And now every time we create a new lead or opportunity in Odoo, that information will be formatted correctly and then sent as a channel message in Slack. That's how you can automate sending a channel message in Slack whenever you create a new contact in Odoo. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or any suggestions for future videos. You should also like this post and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. I'll see you next time.